Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Chin Info. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about Ki Chacha Sotep to join SS Rajamouli's Varanasi after Eka and Bahubali collaborations to report. Actor Ki Sudeep is reported to join Mahesh Banu and Priyanka Chopra for SS Rajamouli's Varanasi. Now more below. Written by Abhishek Agarwal, journalist, published on 18 February 2026. With the buzz around the casting and filming for director S.S. Rajamouli's upcoming film Varanasi at an all-time high, a new update seems to be coming our way. On 18 February, it was noted that actor Kicha Sudeep has been roped in to play a key role in the film. The makers are yet to confirm whether the reports are true. Kicha Sudeep reported to join Varanasi aimed a lot of speculation surrounding the cost of Varanasi. A new report by India Today claims that actor Kicha Sudeep has been roped in to play an important role. If it come true, it would be the third collaboration between the star and the filmmaker following their joint work briefly on Eka and then on Bahubali. Bagang, though his previous appearances were brief, his impact was notable, making this a high possibility. The actor himself spoke about taking on memorable roles rather than large ones, especially when he looks at cameos in his filmography. An official confirmation is awaited on Kicha Sudeep's possible casting. About Varanasi, the globe-trotting feature film interlaces the Indian epic Ramayana into the style of S.S. Rajamouli in a larger-than-life variant. It will see the main character Rudra, played by Mahesh Babu, who embodies his aspects of Lord Rama in his role, traveling to different timelines to save humankind on Earth. The movie also stars Priyanka Chopra Jones as the female lead, Mandakini, and Prithviraj Sukumaran as the antagonist, Kumba, who is wheelchair bound with extensive VFX work and multiple shoot schedules including long haul of domestic and international filming. The movie is currently being shot across various locations. Recently, Raj was revealed as another actor in the film playing an ardent Lord Shiva Bhakt. While further details are awaited, Varanasi is currently in production with eyes set for and 7 April 27 theatrical release. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time.